Here I have these gel reusable press-on nails. I'm going to give you a closer look at that. It is a total of 32 nails and there is 16 different sizes. So let's go ahead and take a look. The great thing about these is that you could actually use nail glue or you could use the little nail stickers that are included. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what they look like. And I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me these so I could go ahead and test them out and give you my full and honest review. So as you can see inside, you get your nails. They're like a shiny maroon style color. You do get a nail file and also a cuticle pusher. You do get an alcohol prep pad, so you do want to make sure that your nails are nice and clean. Remove any oils, dirt, anything like that before applying your nails. This is the better you set up your nails, the longer they will last. You also get a set of instructions, so this is very helpful, especially if you're a beginner, or it's your first time, or you just need a refresher like myself to see how to properly install your press-on nails to ensure that you get the best results. You get 2 different sets of stickers. In the stickers, you actually get the individual sizes. So I'm gonna give you a close-up on the little tabs down here. They are numbered with the nail size. So what you want to do is once you select your nails that will fit your nail beds, you want to go ahead and select the same sticker for your nails so you could go ahead and apply them to the false nail underneath, so then you could go ahead and put them on your own nail. The nails themselves have a small number at the top, so you could go ahead and match your nail to your nail sticker. So the great thing is that you get the nail glue and the stickers. They are both included in the package, so it just depends on your preference whether you want to use the nail glue or the stickers. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and prep my nails and get them ready. I'm going to go ahead and select the sizes. I'm going to match the nails to my fingertips to make sure that I get the correct sizes, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the nails. So I went ahead and selected all the nails, so I have them picked out already. So next, you want to go ahead and push back your cuticles with this little wooden stick. Just simply press back on your cuticles and push your cuticle back. So what you want to do next is buff and file down your nails. So you want to go ahead and file down the tops of your nails, and then you want to go ahead and buff the nail beds out. Next, you want to use the alcohol pad, and you want to remove any dust from your fingertips with this alcohol pad. Make sure you remove all the dust and all the oils from your nail beds before applying the false nails. Next, depending on whether you're going to be using the nail glue or the nail stickers, you will continue this step. So I'm actually going to use the nail glue. I personally find this much quicker, much easier step and longer lasting. So it just depends. Like I said, it's a preference whether you want to use the nail glue or the stickers. So what you want to do is grab your nail tip, and if you are using the glue, you want to go ahead and apply some nail glue onto the tip of on the inside of the nail. And then you want to go ahead and align it to your nail at a 45-degree angle and then press down. You want to align it with your cuticle and then hold it down. And you want to go ahead and repeat the process. So once you have all your nails glued, what you want to do is go back with your nail file and then just file down any little edges, especially on the tips. But take a look, they look so cute. When the light hits them, they have like a little glimmer effect. But overall, if you're looking for a nice set of press-on nails that are long-lasting, they look amazing, and they also have a variety of styles, I would definitely recommend